Why the hustle when you can make your own soft, yummy chapati at home and enjoy as many as you can? So if you are looking to make your own chapati with the simplest of ingredients, this is for you. Hi, my name is Mary Brenda. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be looking at making soft, yummy chapati at home using the simplest of ingredients in your kitchen. Stick around and let's see how it is done. So first we start with our ingredients as listed on the screen. I have garlic, I have ginger, I have carrot. Put in your bowl. Add onions. And then we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of oil. And then we are going to eyeball the salt depending on your consumption at home, how your family consumes the salt. That is what you're going to do. And as for the flour, I will not be measuring. I'm putting the quantity that is enough for my family. Mix all together, the oil, the ingredients with the salt, and then add the flour. Remember, do the ingredients according to the quantity or the number of chapatis you want to get out of this. So mix all the ingredients together, and then we shall be adding warm water. But this chapati tastes very nice if you add milk. Here I'm using warm water because one of my siblings does not enjoy milk products, so I'm adding in warm water. But with milk, it comes out really soft and very nice. So mix to form a dough, and then later transfer to a floured board and continue with the kneading. Transfer on a floured board. I didn't flour mine, but do flour the board. Continue with the kneading. You're kneading it so that your hands, by the time you're done, your hands are clean, have no flour, or rather the stickiness. Yes, so you knead until you achieve the soft dough, and the flour is no longer sticky on your hands. So right there, I had achieved the softness that I was looking for, but it was still sticky. So I'm adding in oil rather than adding in flour. I'm going to be adding the oil. I added oil to reduce on the stickiness and the dough to come together. As you can see, my hands are finally clean, no more dough sticking on them. So that means our dough is ready. I'm going to be forming a ball and then leaving it to rest for 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes, my dough has rested. I left the dough to rest because as you're trying to roll, if you don't leave it to rest, as you're trying to roll, the dough will keep pulling back, and you don't want that frustration. So you leave the gluten to rest a bit. So I'm kneading it again, and then to finally form the balls that I am looking for. So I'll be cutting to the size that depends on the size of chapati you want to form. And then I tuck in, as you can see, I tuck in the dough to form a nice ball. If you don't tuck in or try to form a nice ball, you're going to get a chapati that has a very funny shape, a skirt or a dress, whatever shape. So you want a nice ball so that you achieve that nice circular shape. So right there, I was done forming all my balls. I'm going to be putting them away, and then I'll be covering so that they don't dry out. Flour your board and then roll using the back and forth motion until you get a nice circular shape. Also ensure that you don't over thin the middle part, because if you do that, you're most likely going to get a very hard middle section. You don't want that middle section hard. You want to roll it evenly. The thickness should be something that isn't too thin and it shouldn't be too thick. So about depending on what you want. I won't say how many inches. Yes, so roll evenly. So right there I was done. I'm using medium heat to cook my chapati. So I did heat my pan first, and then I'm going to be leaving the oil to heat up a little. Since my pan is heated, it will not be it will not take long. Yes, so I'll be putting my chapati, and then once it bubbles underneath, then I'll turn it and do the same process. So as you can see, I do fear oil. So I got the chapati pepper, the flour pepper, I mean. That is what I am using to turn the chapati. Yes, because I'm not someone that really loves that oil burn. The after effect is too much. So I keep turning the chapati until I get the desired color. And then I continue the process for all the rest because there are quite many, so I'll not be doing the whole process. Yes. So right there I was done with the first batch, and then I'm going to be turning to distribute the heat. The ones on top have cooled, so I put them in the middle. The downer part, I put it up so that the heat distributes itself evenly. And then I'm going to be putting in the clean polythene or use cling film. Reason why I want it to remain soft. Do not put hot chapati that you've just made into the polythene because the vapor that it forms will make the chapati soggy. And that's it. That is how you make the chapati. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.